Well, Uber drivers are quitting left and right. Lyft drivers join them. Uber drivers striking across the nation. And even Uber executives are quitting left and right. We just had the Uber head of rides quit himself, leaving Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi arms up in air, saying, what the heck's going on? Uber stock price plummets. We got a lot to cover today, but we're heading to Reddit, to the dark side of the interweb, to see why Uber drivers are quitting. This is a trending topic on Reddit. So thumbs up the video if you enjoy these types of videos. And also check out a couple of our sponsors in the description box down below. We have Play Octopus, which is a tablet company that pays Uber and Lyft drivers to put a tablet in their car. You can make up to $100 extra a month. We also have Buckle Insurance. It's a car insurance company specifically for rideshare drivers and food delivery drivers. It could save you tons of money on your policy. Check that out down below. And now let's get started. All right, I gotta say, I'm a big fan of Reddit. Reddit is like Craigslist, right? It's very outdated, but I mean, it works. It does what you need it to do. We got some awesome topics on Reddit. This is on the Uber drivers Reddit forum, and this got 72 upvotes. And it says, this guy said, time to go. Last week, I permanently deleted myself from the Lyft app. This week, I went through the process to delete my Uber app. I run a business online selling tickets. I'm also getting my pilot's license and studying for various FAA tests to attain my ground instruction ratings. Every hour I spend on these two apps struggling to make less than $15 an hour in the Los Angeles market while dealing with the kinds of people that get into my car and leave a mess is too much for me. I'm also making as much money now doing Instacart and retail arbitrage at Costco in 10 hours a week as I was driving 50 hours per week, breaking down my body and car. I have heard people make a lot of money doing Instacart. I've heard people making 10 grand a month doing Instacart. Time to go. For those of you turning a profit that works for you, I salute you. You are clearly better at this than I am. But the majority who are delaying your life's goals, dreams, and spending 12 hours a day behind the wheel, start easing your way into doing something else. You get one life. It is meant to be lived. You know what? I have to salute this guy for, first of all, taking action. Good job, buddy. I don't know your name, but I don't see a name on this one. But if you're watching this, I salute you, man. You honestly seem like a great guy to have a beer with. You know what you want, and you're encouraging others to do the same. And he also salutes people who, you know, are using it for good. You know, if you figured out a way that works for you. And obviously, it's easier said than done. You can't just completely quit and then, you know, count on something that doesn't exist yet. He's saying, I mean, he's saying a lot. He's saying some really good things. He's saying, you know, ease your way into something else. He started doing Instacart. He started his Costco business. He started, you know, he's getting his pilot's license. He does an online business. He's trying out 7 different things, and it's working. It's working for him, you know? That's kind of the way it works. It's like, if you have nothing, go try 10 different things. Maybe 2 of them will work. Maybe stick with 3 of them and, you know, dwindle down, which, you know, it's like casting a wide net and seeing what sticks. And I think this is inspiring too, because look at the comments. He said, I like the way you worded this. I agree. I mean, this was very well crafted. You can tell this guy's smart. You can tell he's not just, you know, a dude who says, F Uber. Like, he understands that, you know, the business model of Uber and Lyft is really bad, but at the same time, it's like when you have nothing, sometimes it's the only option. This guy here said, I'm excited for the day I no longer have to Uber. The market I'm in is great, but it's long hours and too many miles on a new car. Drivers, moment of silence for another fallen king. Son? Father? I hear you. I love Reddit. Reddit is awesome. These comments make my day. Congrats, man. Bummer that you lived in a market that used to be red hot. Good luck with any future accomplishments. Continue to make moves. Yeah, LA is a crazy market. I worked for Uber for a year from 2019 to 2020 and came back to Lyft and got into an accident on my 6th day of working. I hope he was signed up with Buckle Insurance. If you don't have rideshare insurance, check out Buckle Insurance. It could really save you tons of money if you get into an accident while driving. I understand why you made your decision. Good for you. I'm doing the same once I realized the scam of their rentals. Yeah, this is short term. I'm making over 2 grand a week, but I'm gone by August. Got dreams and want to learn a trade. I salute this man as well. I definitely think this is like the best route, is to use Uber and Lyft, like use it as a means to an end. Be like, I'm gonna work, you know, I'm gonna work until I make $10,000 and just try to grind it out till you hit that number and then move on. Like maybe you wanna buy a new car, or maybe you wanna start a new business, like use that cash, whatever it is, or pay off credit. Honestly, I think Uber and Lyft is great for paying off debt. That's why I started. I need to pay off 5 grand in credit card debt. A lot of you guys know my story. And it worked, it really worked. So what exactly is Costco retail arbitrage? I open an Amazon seller's account, and when I'm in Costco, I often find the Kirkland products into the Amazon app, scan them, list the price for 3 times the amount Costco sells it at, and people on Amazon buy it. Amazon gets their cut, I get a cut, Costco gets a cut. I just print the label, go to Costco, buy the item, whip it to the customer using their shipping label, rinse, wash, repeat. Danny Tomato. This is where I saw Kirkland organic coconut water for $47. Haha. Sorry, you did not get me. Bought it at Costco for 18 bucks. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people just don't, either they don't know any better, or they don't want to literally drive to Costco. They have Amazon Prime. It gets there in a day. They just click buy from their laptop, and you know, that's how they get their water or whatever. You don't want to drive to Costco, or they don't even have a Costco membership. That's another thing. So it works. If Costco arbitrage works for them, yeah. I mean, this guy, a lot of people want to know about Costco arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, yeah, but Costco specifically, because Costco, when you sell in bulk, the prices are cheaper, and you know, you can get stuff for cheaper if you have a Costco membership. So I mean, look into that, guys, and let me know down below, what other things are you working on? What other businesses or side hustles are you trying? Are you trying anything else out? And are you thinking about quitting, or do you have a plan to quit? Are you using Uber and Lyft for a short period thing or a long-term thing? I really want to hear from you guys what your plan is. A lot of you guys know that I'm not currently depending on Uber and Lyft for income. Okay, I did before in the past. I paid off my credit card debt. I paid off my car loan. I had 5 grand in credit card debt and 5,400 bucks in my car debt. Paid both of those off. I went to work at the Marriott, went to school, got a full-time job working in tech, and kind of went from there. And I love driving. I've done literally every single app that I could possibly can in my area. I've done DoorDash, I've done Uber Eats, I've done Postmates, I've done Instacart. I haven't done Amazon Flex, but I've done Uber and Lyft. I think that's pretty much everything. But yeah, I do it for fun and I make videos about it. You know, that's the way it is. I think it is a great opportunity. I make 40 bucks an hour in the LA market. How on earth are you only making 15? Yeah, I mean, after you do the math, like $40 an hour, that could be revenue, but after you factor in gas costs, wear and tear in your car, like, yeah, it does dwindle down the more and more, like, you're talking about wear and tear in your car, plus depreciation, repairs that you have to make on your car, gas you have to make on your car. When you factor all that in, that's a large chunk of money that Uber is not giving you money for. That money is all, like, on you. So anyways, guys, if you're not doing the math, then yeah, you probably, I mean, Uber wants you to think you're making 30, 40 an hour. That's the reality, but they don't want to tell you about all the expenses. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching today's video. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon, and check out the links below for Play Octopus, tablet, and Buckle Insurance. Those will both be linked below. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.